I think Ekta ma'am's journey has been commendable.
Hi, I'm Filmic and with me is Parul ma'am. Ma'am, what was being part of this event and about the organizer of this event?
Well, my best wishes to Abhishek and Swati. This is my second time with this event. It's Talent Runway Season 2. The first season was equally exciting, and this has so much energy here that it's wow. And well, I met a lot of contestants here, a lot of participants. They're all excited, they're all happy. And the best part about this event is that there is category of each age group. So you will meet children, you will meet youngsters, you will meet Mrs. and Mr. So I think it's an amazing initiative by Swati and Abhishek, and my best wishes with them.
You have been very successful in the TV industry, and recently Ekta ma'am have won Emmy Awards. What we have seen in getting recognition on the international level.
I think Ekta ma'am's journey has been commendable. I mean, when she was speaking after she received the Emmy, and I saw the whole AV come on, and she started her production house from her father's garage. So imagine the kind of journey that she's had. She's an inspiration in herself, and I think I'm truly blessed and honored to be a part of a successful show of hers. And may I wish her more and more success from TV to films to web. I think she's done it all. And I think there is no stopping her anymore. I mean, Emmys, wow. It's a proud moment for her. It's a proud moment for us. It's a proud moment for every Indian. Way to go, Ekta ma'am.
But do you think the OTT emergence have affected the TV industry? I mean, there is a lot of OTT coming, web shows coming. I mean, that kind of emergence and that kind of, lot of exposure of web shows have affected the TV shows as well.
Honestly, I don't think it's really affected TV shows because web still has a different audience and TV still has their fan base, like TV still has a lot of fan base where it comes to housewives, where it comes to mothers, daddies, everyone has a fan base. I don't think they are still ready to watch web because web is very real content. Sometimes there is a lot of content that you probably can't watch sitting with family, but TV is something that, the full family sits together and watches. And of course, TV is entertainment, it's masala. So I don't think TV is going to be ever affected by web. I think TV will have its own loyal audience.
Lastly, anything coming, from your side professionally, are you working on any project right now, any interesting project?
Honestly, I would love to do something in web, where I'm more myself than what I'm portrayed on TV. Definitely, but right now my hands are completely full between Bhagya Lakshmi and hosting Saas Bahu Betiya. But if something comes up, you will be the first to know.
Thanks, man. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.